Hello there. Alright, so my friend Donna Rose Abelia suggested that I will cook tofu sisig. So today, I will gonna grant that request. Yay! We were gonna have tofu sisig today using Japanese tofu. So it's a bit different from the tofu I know way back in the Philippines and the tofu that I'm gonna be using today. So I do hope it will work, and if not, then it's okay. That's the good in cooking. We can eat our mistake. Anyways, let's start. Alright, the ingredients for our tofu sisig is of course, yes, there. Tofu, I already fry it and cut it into cubes so that it would be easy to cook later. Then we have onion, garlic, spring onion, and I made this one. It's my tofu sisig sauce. It's made of water, cornstarch, soy sauce, and a chili powder, and that's it. So yeah, that's all our ingredients for today. Alright, so procedures would be, we will saute the garlic and then onion, then that part of spring onion, then our tofu, then we will put our sauce. That's it. So more on saute. That's it. So let's start. Alright, so that's our tofu sisig, and let's taste it. Tofu sisig in a cup. Oh, spicy. So magawang, this is your tofu sisig that you've been asking for. There you go. Take a bite. thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. And if you want more, subscribe. And if you like the video, like it. And if you don't, then you can send me an email.